This is an electric coach designed to carry tourists in high floor together with their luggage. In this beautiful morning, let us walk around the coach to see if you can spot anything interesting. If these mesh chairs that allow sunlight to shine through have not yet surprised you, how about this equipment panel and such a gigantic fan at the back? We shall explore all these and many more features in this journey. To begin, let's load the luggage to the coach first. Nowadays, heavy luggages usually have their own wheels. They can easily be moved around on shallow slope without the necessity of lifting them away from the ground. So in this design, luggage ramps are installed at both sides of the luggage compartments. They form part of the luggage compartment door at closure. These luggage ramps can be lowered such that heavy luggages can effortlessly be pushed into the luggage compartment as shown with these green arrows. The full-sized rooftop solar panel can supplement power to the coach in sunny days, even when it is just parking outdoor during the low season. The main battery bank resides in a fireproof battery chamber behind these luggages. If we can take away other compartments, you can also find fire protection bottles installed at both ends of this chamber. In case of battery fire, liquefied carbon dioxide can be discharged from these bottles to cool the battery chamber that buy time for passengers to evacuate. Centralizing this heavy battery bank around the center of gravity of the coach can also enhance the coach stability. Behind the air intake mesh is the machine compartment. It houses many critical systems like the power equipment, pneumatic, thermal, and air conditioning systems. The large fan at the back can suck air into the thermal system, which gathers heat from different systems and repel out of the coach. At the center of this fan is a rear camera and a round brake light. Sometimes, a sunny day may suddenly become a rainy day, like what is happening. We had better grab an umbrella and get onto the coach right now. Once on board, driver can safely access to this service panel of critical systems no matter how heavy is the rain outside. The water-dripping umbrellas can be left in this dryer so as to keep the cabin dry. These mesh chair can greatly enhance the passenger comfort due to its superb ventilation characteristic. Its transparency can also help to spot any left-behind luggages on or under the seat from distance. Next to the driving cab is the main entrance, which is also equipped with an umbrella dryer to collect water that is left with the umbrella. Another important characteristic of mesh chair is its negligible thickness. Such a thin mesh not only can save space to accommodate the rear entrance and critical systems, it can also spare a taller storage room underneath the chair for each passengers. This rear entrance, together with the front entrance, provides a low-floor escape route which can make the evacuation process a lot quicker and safer than those high-emergency exits which are few feet above the ground. In fact, if we can take a full picture from the above, we can see the emergency escape route actually spans the entire length of coach from front to back and on both sides. So, no matter the fire breaks out in the front, rear, or anywhere in between, this design can still secure an easy escape route to every passengers. You may realize that the usual rooftop air conditioner has been moved into the rear compartment in order to maximize the solar panel coverage. As a result, a gigantic fan instead of multiple smaller fans was installed at the rear to boost the exhaust capacity. By taking the advantage of the long fan blade, which can cover a much larger area than the total of multiple small fans, it can run a much lower speed even when the airflow volume is boosted. This in turn can reduce the noise generated to the surroundings. I hope you would enjoy this episode. Whilst I am moving on to the next innovative design, please feel free to share your comments and stay tuned. Bye now.